Lay the shoulder brace flat with the inside facing up. Remove the adjustable straps. Attach the gel pack to the inside of the shoulder brace by using the fasteners located on the back of the gel pack. Using the logo as a reference to ensure the gel pack is positioned correctly, the logo should be upright. Ensure gel pack is properly attached before continuing. Secure the lower bicep strap to the fabric, making it loose enough to fit your arm through. Attach the chest strap through upper D-rings. Make sure the curved side is facing downwards. Secure the chest strap to the fabric, making it loose enough to fit over your head. Note: ensure the air valve is set to open before putting on the brace. Put your arm through the lower bicep strap, position the gel pack on your shoulder, take the chest strap and loop over your head and arm. Secure straps as necessary. Once fully adjusted, squeeze the hand pump to inflate the inner bladder to your desired compression. Release compression by pressing the release valve on hand pump. Note the air valve can be switched to closed and the pump hose may be removed for convenience.